Understanding Chances of Frostbite, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across, especially in weather forecasts or when talking about cold climates. We're going to explore what chances of frostbite means, why it's important, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. So, grab a warm cup of tea, and let's get started. Chances of frostbite is a phrase composed of two key parts. First, let's understand each component. Chances. This word refers to the likelihood or probability of something happening. It's often used to express the possibility of events, ranging from the weather to winning a game. Frostbite, a medical condition that occurs when skin and other tissues freeze due to extreme cold. It's most common on the fingers, toes, nose, ears, cheeks, and chin. Frostbite can cause permanent damage if not treated promptly. When combined, chances of frostbite refers to the probability or risk of developing frostbite due to cold weather conditions. Understanding the chances of frostbite is crucial, especially if you live in or are visiting a cold area. This phrase informs you about weather-related risks. Knowing the chances of frostbite can help you prepare and dress appropriately to protect yourself from the cold. Helps in planning outdoor activities. If the chances of frostbite are high, you might decide to reschedule or cancel outdoor plans to avoid health risks. Increases awareness about cold weather safety. Awareness is the first step toward prevention. By understanding and discussing these chances, you can take proactive measures to stay safe. You can use the phrase, chances of frostbite, in several contexts, such as weather discussions. The weather report mentioned high chances of frostbite tonight. Let's make sure to wear extra layers if we have to go out. Planning activities. Given the high chances of frostbite, perhaps we should postpone our skiing trip to a warmer day. Educating others. Remember, the chances of frostbite increase as the temperature drops, so always wear gloves and a hat in cold weather. We hope this video has helped you understand what chances of frostbite means and why it's an important phrase to know, especially during the winter months. Remember, staying informed and prepared is key to staying safe in cold weather. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Stay warm, stay safe, and see you in the next video.